What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be adding Kilmat sound deadener to my doors. You can see here that I just completed the project. I'm going to put my door back on and we'll be good to go. But since I just upgraded with these JBL component speakers with a tweeter, and I have a 10-inch sub back there now, so I wanted to put this sound deadener on, see how much of a difference it makes, and I'll let you guys know after I do some driving around and testing these out. So let's get into the install. Before this video starts, would you guys do me a huge favor? Hit that like and subscribe button down below. Lets me know you guys are enjoying the content and it really helps the channel grow. So with that being said, let's get in the video. Alright guys, this is what she looks like all done. Pretty much got all the outside covered. That's what I wanted to focus on. And whatever I had left, I just fill it up on the inside. A few spots up in there just to give it a little extra. But yep. So I'm gonna put my speaker back on and my water shield, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, here's with my speaker back in, the water shield, and my little door thing. That's what she looks like, all Kilmatted up. And hopefully this makes a nice difference in my truck. I did this to a car that I used to have, and it made a pretty big difference, so we'll see. Alright guys, I got both doors done. I didn't put my manual window thing back on yet because I have a power window kit that I'm going to be installing soon, and I just don't feel like putting everything back together if I'm just going to be tearing it back off anyway. So that's why that's like that. But both doors are done. This one's just sitting on there. Nothing, the clip's not actually holding it. But I got both doors Kilmatted completely, and so far I have noticed a pretty big difference when it comes to sound quality. My new speakers that I have, the JBL 6.5-inch component speakers, there's like no rattle in my door at all. Now when I open and close the doors, they feel a lot more sturdy. Like they have like a thud to it, more like a higher end car. I haven't noticed a huge difference with road noise. I don't have a decibel reader. I should have got one for this video, but I still hear a good bit of road noise. My tires make a little bit of road noise, and I can hear my exhaust still, which I didn't expect it to just totally take that out, but I expected to hear a little bit of a difference. I do plan on taking the carpeted wheel well liners out and completely sound deadening that underneath there, and then putting the carpeted liners back, and I think that'll do and I think that'll make a big difference with road noise, so stay tuned for that. I also might do more of the inside of my truck. Might do the roof, might do the back, I'm not sure yet, we'll see. But I am liking the product. It made my sound system definitely sound better. That's where I noticed an improvement. So I would recommend sound deadening your doors to improve speaker quality or sound quality. I will be giving you guys an update and review on these door speakers I installed and the subwoofer that I installed. I'm really happy with both of them. The Kilmat kit I bought was the 80 mil kit. It was 18 square feet, and it was only like $30, and that was plenty to do both doors. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos. I got a couple good ones planned, the power window kit, I might sound deaden some more, a backup camera review, and do some more sound deadening. So that's it, guys. Have a great day. Peace.